Welcome to Biker's Choice. Today we're shining the spotlight on the Honda MSX125, popularly known as the Grom. This compact, lightweight motorcycle has captured the hearts of riders worldwide with its fun design and versatile performance. Join us as we explore what makes the MSX125 a favorite among both new riders and seasoned enthusiasts. The origin of the Grom. First introduced in 2013, the Honda MSX125 was designed to be an accessible and enjoyable motorcycle for urban commuting and casual riding. Its playful character and user-friendly features quickly earned it a dedicated fan base. With its compact size and eye-catching design, the Grom is not just a motorcycle, it's a lifestyle choice for many. Engine and performance. At the core of the MSX125 is a 125cc air-cooled, single-cylinder engine that strikes a balance between efficiency and performance. This engine delivers a smooth ride, making it ideal for city commuting. With a top speed of around 60 mph, the Grom is perfect for navigating urban traffic while still being fun to ride. The lightweight frame enhances its agility, allowing riders to maneuver easily through tight spaces. Design and build quality. The design of the MSX125 is one of its most appealing features. With its retro-inspired look and compact proportions, it stands out in any setting. The Grom's seat height is low, making it accessible for riders of various sizes, while the overall build quality reflects Honda's commitment to durability. Available in multiple color options, the Grom allows for personalization to match each rider's style. Despite its small size, the MSX125 is packed with thoughtful features. It comes equipped with LED lighting for improved visibility and a digital display that provides essential information at a glance. The bike also has a reliable fuel efficiency, often exceeding 100 miles per gallon, making it an economical choice for everyday use. Its straightforward mechanics make maintenance easy, which is a bonus for first-time riders. Riding experience. The riding experience on the MSX125 is truly unique. The bike is incredibly nimble, making it perfect for city riding and navigating through traffic. Its responsive handling and lightweight feel provide a sense of confidence for riders of all skill levels. Whether you're commuting to work or enjoying a leisurely ride with friends, the Grom delivers a fun and engaging experience every time. Community and culture. The Honda MSX125 has fostered a vibrant community of enthusiasts who love to customize and modify their bikes. From performance upgrades to aesthetic changes, the Grom is a canvas for creativity. Group rides, events, and online forums have created a strong sense of camaraderie among Grom owners, further enhancing the bike's appeal. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Honda MSX125 or Grom is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a fun, reliable, and user-friendly motorcycle. Its combination of unique design, impressive performance, and community spirit makes it stand out in the motorcycle market. If you're considering a bike that offers excitement and practicality, the MSX125 should definitely be on your radar. Thank you for joining us on Biker's Choice. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more motorcycle content. Ride safely, and we'll see you next time.